tashi dele changmalo ani tharing negi jing du dikhai lana ani ngozo ta nang move jesus re rangsoi hagu gorra ani chala ro nyo dei khachra da nang sawal move chidi gu su chala ti shimba sawa ro nyo ba chala ning ba pura yue plan chi yue ani chala go gyo du nyo obviously sari surita mangbu nyo me chomi jo da nyo me ra go gyo chong jang nyo okay anyways first things first most important shegu ngozo ji di washroom de ni ma mi dingi jara o di ji shegu di chinchu dura ne chinchu du ani di gala ning ba chash ani ngozo gi shegu ya ga jikin yor shegu chumbu ben yote ning jo da ani ngozo di gare re di chik chasa ani shemba masala lusa kap tenzo yapuda 상마 엔드로 뉴이어 다 체크 니좀 찾아 아니 좀 찾아 좀시 아니 nga투 오케이 그래서 두 뉴레 마살라 차 치니 커피 차파티 네 카리나 루에도 pura nyore ani dijela coffee cup khoi ngala nyola sta ya nga coffee tung gyola samsam ani coffee cup ti pe abudu plastic rishta ta hande ning jela plastic ani cover ben abudu thakpo bendu see so nice te da tungsa de da ani nili du chikau chiknakpo nakpo dinga che kau di khochir 아니 since 코 톡바로 동에 빼가 오르라 아니 코 딱바 chopstick use 시래래 나다 the fork use 시에 but he likes chopsticks 뉴라 아니 디샤시 cheers iced coffee 팔레텐 군당 코데디시 iced coffee Indian busuir chesage Indian busuire it's my favorite okay ani shemba chikda donlala mermaid gaoirmon mermaid recap chunji chigya ni kai doluluna cha thangmu chai diskale hoda indi buluna cha thangmu lamsa chaire shogi lapta du mola ni jopo cha soina tungsuimenda chikdirera ni jopo tong chikdi thuma da fork da whatever you want to put it kitchen la koda odi chiknyor ani chikde ta diluela kasa di tuktu taya de diya da sabji tuktu taya do da spatula whatever you need you can put it in here I needed one so I got it di tipe yakbudu nga phala yu but dela Ramastoya cousin I don't know temperature soon but this is so nice makeup remover eye makeup remover and also you can use it to clean your ears or your eyes like that and obviously makeup remover you need makeup remover right ani monzo nangla di use shimar dish soap use shigo mare monzo nangla soap use here thali so dinui so that we can put the soap and wash chikchasa chikte monzoji fruits lusa cuz we love fruits so fruits luni table glass shawo samsra dichasa ani shemba tong oh and I got this shirt koi shirt ding jo du lasan ye okay na nyuira ani shemba di kurta wala kya I think it's really cute and has ni this shirt me tel tholo rai kala ko dura but still I thought this was not bad this chick tapti beni du loose beni du and my favorite nang di kya oh I love it pink color nga favorite re ani nga nang laben mangbu dia go ye, so these things are perfect for me. Ani this to dikhana na ngo masala ni lusa ya kitchen la so space mang ma se me chu she but khozol de la masala sha sa mindu ya di ndi mindu sha sa ya namji normally li ya on de mindu and then you ready bula chala pura khangi re ani which is good. And also I got like a room spray lavender ka ji ya, it's nice. And the washroom ka ji door ka ji aplo la hang chair, this is you can hang it shempa du zoina ya kisik dichi hoda ya chusi ro jar ko da too much work, so the aplo la hang chair chopore, so which is really easy. And the other towel thoklo khari na ben support ko di kamna decor, and it's really good. Check there Tibene washroom kichi durang re khajila na zo shampoo conditioner body wash blah 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 mangora zo pura tikola chasir. See, it's really pretty and roj good ta, that's why we got it. Ani we got towel for him, towel for myself. Ani de kitchen gaji ngozo kitchen la do some lakparo chair do dang table chair do la, I think this is really good. Sum dura color sum ja is really pretty. Hand towel dishwash chisani lakpa dry chair la ani kitchen la the washroom la lakpa tu sani dry chair la lakpa dry chair la, so cute. Jela and was the floor mat nyore bula zuba da nangul zuba da mat kora chick bedside mat, so we're gonna see where to put it. This is and my favorite is this paper sa ngala paper pe yura de no di chosham la yure paper gyo shogi takpa, but other than that throughout the day I like to burn sage incense ya sage kaji incense do da ani chakra incense for good energy, good vibes, positivity. See, natural chakra collection and this is sandalwood, it's so good, smells good. And it's also good for you and your house, for your health, for yourself it's good. Okay. See, lots of them, and I love them so much. This is any career. Oh, another good thing. 결정. 결정이다. The singing bowl, Tibetan singing bowl. I did roji which sing gang layo ngaran nang layo, but ngara room miss shidu, so I got this cause kod nang layo mala. Ninye. Time bangage. Diga khadu used to get na whenever I feel down, whenever I feel like I'm like very tired, not feeling too good, feeling negative energy, I will cleanse myself with this singing bowl, and any of this incense. It really helps me keep my mind positive. Ani that's about it today. Ani saying also nang home tour chai ani kyunso pural tengo.